looks better than their cheapest one. What's up, guys? We are back. Que lo Gucci, mi gente. Thank you guys for coming back. I appreciate y'all. Today we got a little something special for you guys. It's been a while, I haven't uploaded, but you know, I can tell you a little couple things. What happened is when I got into this project, I was thinking this project was super budget friendly, which we're still trying to go with that theme. But I've noticed that anytime that you're gonna go ahead and buy some parts for this, it's always a couple $100. Every little piece, doesn't matter what it is, a couple $100. But we're still always on the search, always trying to look to find some cheap parts. Anything used is the best thing. But that was been the biggest problem, biggest hurdle, reason why I haven't been uploading. But we're gonna go ahead and continue and actually start uploading more. But today we got something very special, and I want you guys to see exactly one of the biggest budget friendly parts that you can do, and I'll show you right now. Biggest budget friendly parts that we got is, as you can see, max speeding rods. I really wish this thing was sponsored, but it is not sponsored at all. But we'll go ahead and see how these look. They came with some kind of stickers. I see it came with the instructions, but you know, got the keys to moving the coilover up and down. Max speeding rod, I think it's the T06 one. Ooh. Hey, my cameraman about to go ahead and kill himself. But yo, these are pretty fire though. I like the color. What you think about the color?
Color's really nice.
Yeah?
Yep.
Pretty dope. It's fully adjustable for, you could do camber adjustments. It has the dampening. I think it has 24 or 32, one or two. I gotta double check. But the quality for this one looks better than their cheapest one. Well, let's go ahead and get these installed. Let's do the driver's side first.
Hey, Reno, jacking off your car. I mean, jacking up your car.
That was my car. That was my car. Not me.
This is rated R with a VTEC.
So a little something I did off camera. I'm gonna see if I do have a clip of it. Is I was able to change this. This is a cheap intake. Sounds pretty cool, but eventually I'll go ahead and upgrade it. But if I do have a clip of it, I'll go ahead and insert it here. It has a aftermarket intake, as you can see. We're gonna change that and put it into that car, because that car actually has a stock one. We'll make this car look back to stock. Yeah. All right, so I was able to get the cowl off. I removed from both sides, that side and this side, and then you just pull up the tabs, and then, you know, I got this little mess going on up here, but you know, this is the one that goes right there on the driver's side, and then I still got the passenger side right there. Right, so what we was able to do was take off the two screws that were here, minus the grass, but we took off both screws that are right here. I would recommend taking out the screw for the brake line. Makes it a little bit more easier to move. Now we just gotta take off the 3 bolts that are right here. We got the first one out. This one is extremely rusty. Even the boot that's in the middle is all destroyed. Look at that. Look at the seal at the top, bro. The seal is all cracked.
What an upgrade.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's kind of feels almost the same weight. But that way you can kind of see the difference. This thing definitely needs some love. We definitely got to drop this. What I did here, I had to take a bolt that was here off. There's a bolt right here. This one's for the shock, which goes all the way up to the top. Yeah, we had to do a little bit of prying to get the spring out. The spring was the most annoying part, but hopefully everything kind of goes back smoothly. Had to soak it with some WD-40, as you know, it's a northern vehicle. Up here, there is a bolt that's here, and you need actually a wrench and a Allen key in order to get the top off. It's up here. It's a bolt that goes up here, which you can see it here. It'll eventually thread in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install it now, and then I'll give y'all the update after it's installed. She sounds nice. Only thing I got is a resonator delete, but sounds good. Sounds good. The max speeding rod coils, they feel really soft. Feel very, very soft because I got them out super soft, but they ride kind of smooth. The only problem I have with these is the clunking on the top hat of the front suspension. Just a resonator delete. Sounds good. Alright, so I got the height that I want.
2 fingers goes in. Hey.
And you know, I think she's dropped pretty well. If you see, the camber is gonna definitely need a little bit of work, and I'm definitely getting alignment, but I got something coming up with this stuff right here. Got something coming up. But besides that, she looks good. I couldn't really record me putting the back springs, the coilovers in the back. It was a big, huge pain in the ass, and I was doing it myself. It was my first time doing it, so it took me a little bit of time, but I got it done. The only issue I have with these max speeding rods is the front top hat of the coilovers. It clunks a lot. I need to probably take them off, take the top off, and probably grease them at the top. But the only issue I have is this side right here. I stripped this bolt right here because max speeding rod decides to go up to 15 instead of 14, you know, like they normally do, which I don't know why. But that screw right now is screwing me right now, no pun intended. So that's why I don't have any of the plastics on, because I want to eventually get that fixed. Max speeding rods, they ride really, really smooth, especially on soft. When I was on hard, it was the clunking noise was like 10 times louder. As soon as I put it all into soft, it was good. And then the rears, you know, they feel really, really smooth. I don't have any issues with the rear, so that's good. But yeah, the front's only the issue I have. But you know, if you guys want to go max speeding rod, I did the upgraded version. I think it was the T6 something. I think that's something like that. I'll try to put the link in the description as well for this. But yeah, that concludes the max speeding rods. I think for the most part is, for a budget coilovers, it's worth it. The only thing is it's just a top hat. You know, those are just awful. It's just a lot of metal on metal clunking. Maybe some grease may fix that, but you know, we'll see when that point comes. But I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.